Good morning, it's MaryEllen from the channel MaryEllen After 60, and I am sporting some new pajamas I got for my birthday. Really comfy. The pants are plaid, and this is hot pink, and they're by, I can't remember, but if I find the link, I got them from my sister. I'll link them below. You know how much I love to film in my pajamas. Well, it is very early morning, and I wanted to film this before I got a lot of activity going on in the house today. There's a few things I want to talk about. The upcoming QVC IT Cosmetics Today Special Value, the gifts I got from Sephora and ULTA for my birthday, and a couple of products I purchased, not much. The Today Special Value is packaged like this. And this is what it looks like inside. And I'm going to go over each product. I already owned everything in here with the exception of the I think this is the Confidence in Your Cream. And I don't own that brush, but I own a different brush. And I will tell you up front that this is going to be a giveaway. And I'm going to give all these to 2 different people. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you how I'm going to split it up. I'm going to split it up. The Celebration Foundation in medium, along with the IT Bye Bye Under Eye in medium, and this fabulous brush is going to be giveaway face. That's what it's going to be, giveaway face. And my second giveaway for today is going to be the Confidence in a Cream, the IT Superhero Mascara, and the Quoi. This I think sells for $48. I think this is $26. I'm not sure what this is. I get mine on Today's Special Value, but probably around 22 or 24. And I know this is 24. And this brush I know will sell for over $50. So you know I don't know how much it is yet, but I'm gonna, when I know, I will put the price here and I'll put the link below. But I figured out this is over a $200 value. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I applied the products today, just that are in this box. But I didn't open this box. I'm just using what I own. I've done all my skincare. I don't have on any primers, just my permanent eyeliner. And I'm going to start with, it's the medium in the Celebration Foundation, and it's the regular formula. And that's what comes in the box. So as you can see, I've used it. And the only reason I quit using this a lot was I like that CC Plus with the 50 SPF. But this is really a good powder, and I'm going to show you how it works as foundation. I'm going to go ahead and use my flat head IT Cosmetics brush, and I'm going to swirl it in, and then I'm going to apply it to my face. And in my cheeks, I just kind of push it because that's where my largest pores are. And the same on my nose. And before I go any farther, I don't have the exact, I have the Bye Bye Under Eye Illumination, but the amount you use of this and the one that's in the Today's Special Value are identical. I had some and I gave it away because I don't use under eye concealer anymore. And I'm going to go ahead and get just a dab out, and I'm going to show you how much. Okay, I hope you can see that's how much for 2 eyes. And I'm going to rub it together really well between my fingers and get it very warm. And before I blend this foundation in, I'm going to show you how this works. And I really rub it. And then I'm just going to dab it right there. I really almost haven't enough on one finger. In fact, that tiny bit was really too much. But it stays all day. So I think that does have some good coverage. I'm going to go ahead and buff this in. And I will take, and it doesn't matter what kind of brush it is, any brush similar to this, I'll put it in the foundation, and like where my nose pores are, I just go around in circles. And I mean, I can do this a lot faster, but I'm taking my time. I've learned to put my makeup on. As long as I'm sitting down, I can just use one hand and my mirror. And that makes me happy. And this is a 3 times magnification. And that works good just for applying makeup. 3 or 5 times. In my dressing room, I use the 5 times mirror. In here, this is a 3 times. So sometimes when I go in there and I check it after I video, I think, oh my gosh, you should have done better than that. I'm going to take this part of this other brush with nothing on it and just make sure that it is spread around. And I told you that I've been working on my eyebrows. Well, I'm going to link a video below where I still do this area, nasal labial folds, marionette lines, my lips, and now I'm doing just the tails of my eyebrows, and it really has helped. But I'm just doing it the same way. But I probably go maybe 10 times this way and 10 times this way, and it has filled in my eyebrows. And this is also in the QVC TSV. This they gave me. I liked it so well, I'll show you what I purchased, and I got a really good deal on it. But you just twist this up, and this is a lip treatment that I just wear it. I wear it a lot. It's the Je ne sais quoi. And it'll take a minute, but I want you to show up I want you to see what color it turns my lips. It has a flat top and has several little holes there. And in a few minutes, it'll really brighten up. Another item that's in the TSVs is the Superhero Mascara. It's basically all I've worn. I think it'll be 3 years in February. I'm on auto delivery from QVC for it. And what I like about it, I've got it right here. What I like is I can build it up, but I don't usually want to build it up. So I'm going to go ahead and go in without re-dipping it. I'll show you what it can do to my lashes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I turn it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then I take what's left and just go right on the sides. And for good measure, sometimes I do this and sometimes I don't. But I can't see as well since this is a 3 times magnification. And for me, for every day and really almost for evening, this is all that I use. So I demonstrated 4 of the 6 products. And you can see as time has gone on, this is a little darker. It's different on everybody. It's supposed to work with your pH. And I've seen some people that it really, really turned their lips very dark, but it feels so good. And I really do like it. It Cosmetics just happened to work for me. They sent me these, and I usually give almost all of it away, and this time I'm giving 100% of it away because I don't like to have the star in my show more section. When I list all the products, I always put a star if something was given to me, and I like to buy it myself because I'm that happy with it. Speaking of buying, I was running low on this. I could tell it was getting down, and it's $24, and I thought, I don't know if I want to spend that much. So I went to ULTA. I had a 20% off coupon, and because I am a diamond person, I don't have to spend, I get free shipping for $25. So I got the full size in both the lip treatment and the clear, the Je ne sais quoi lipstick, full size for both. I think they were $24. And I ordered something else, just, you know, something else I needed. I think I know what I did. I ordered one of those wet brushes. So it was just a little over $25, got it free shipping and handling, and I really like it. But I want to share with you my birthday gift from ULTA and Sephora. You know, I brag a lot about ULTA and their reward system, and they do have a great reward system. And I don't know why, but I thought for some reason, if you were, you know, if depending on where you were in the rung of rewards, and diamond is the highest, I kind of thought that I'd get kind of a more special gift. And what I got was It Superhero, the deluxe size. And I really like this, but this is going to be in a future giveaway because, like I said, I have plenty. And a $10 off coupon. So that's what you get for being a diamond member. I think it's the same as you get for being a platinum member. I really don't order a lot from Sephora, but I do have that $10 shipping for a year. Well, I ordered something, and I'll show you that later. And it was, I don't have it in here with me, but I'll do it in an upcoming video. And for my free gift, I was thrilled with it. I got some products from Bite. What I received, one of these, and this is kind of like a lipstick pencil, but it's thicker. I don't know the correct name of it. And then I received this color in the Bite lipstick. I love Bite. I do. I love anything that they make. You all know I love the Bite Agave Lip Masks. Well, in it, there were 2 new items, Agave Lip Balm and Agave Lip Scrub. And I will try those out sometime and let you know what I think of those. Something else I wanted to mention. I love to watch Cinnamon Girl Beauty, and if I know how to, I'm going to put her picture in here. And I was watching one of her videos, and she was talking how much she loved the Essence eyeliners. Well, these are automatic eyeliners. And you know, I always wear, I don't have any on today, but I always wear a navy eyeliner on my upper waterline. I don't even, somebody asked me how I sharpen them. I never sharpen them because I don't want them sharp on my waterline. I'm going to have you shut your eyes because I'm going to apply this, and I'm going to apply what Michelle recommended. And I'll let you know when to open. Can you see any difference in the eye? To me, my eye is brighter with this. So I ordered 2 of the Essence, and although they stay very well, they don't stay as long as the IT No Tug waterproof. They are really good, and I'm going to, but they didn't have it in navy. So I'm going to apply it on this eye, and I'll let you know when I'm done. This will stay without budging for probably 6 hours. The other one will probably stay 12. So, you know, like if you just have someplace to go and you're not going to be gone long, for me, this would definitely work. But I just wanted to share that with you because I have quit buying more expensive to try to find one that I like better than the IT. And I am on auto delivery and from QVC because I get a lot better prices. I've been all over the place today. I really have. So since this is a giveaway, I cannot reply to comments. Feel free to go to any video to ask me questions, and I will get back to you because you guys know I will. So if you're interested in the first 3 products, which is the Celebration Foundation, the Bye Bye Under Eye, and the brush, just use the word face somewhere in your sentence. If you're interested in IT Superhero Mascara, the Je ne sais quoi lip treatment, and the Confidence in a Cream, I just want you to use the word dream in your sentence. And if you're interested in both and it doesn't make a difference, just use the word face and the word dream in a sentence. I want it in a sentence. And this will be live for 3 days. It's international. You have to be 18 years old or older. You need to be subscribed to my channel. And what else? And I will announce the winners in a future giveaway. It is all good. I want to thank you all for clicking on my videos and watching and giving me the thumbs up. I really appreciate that. I guess that's all I have to say today, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much. This is also in the I am nothing to Sephora. I mean nothing. The